Today's video from CountLab, we're taking a look at processing a sale on the CountLab 7S, 8S or 9S registers. In this video I'm using the model 9S, but the process is the same across the range. So to start with, I'm going to turn the machine on. So there's a rocker switch on the right hand side. You press that and the machine turns on as long as it's connected to the mains. You get the date and time appear and it says press EN to continue. So you what it means, EN is enter, and your enter button is the cash total button. That then takes you to the cash register mode setting. It defaults to registration, which is the one you need, so you press cash total and this takes you to the screen that you'll be most familiar with. This is the standard registration mode screen. You have input, escape to menu on the top line, which you can ignore. You have the date, the time, and then crucially 0.00. So you're now ready to process a sale. Here are your department buttons. So on standard retail cash registers, you use departments to split up your sales, to categorise your sales, and you can use this information for your end of day reporting. You don't have to use them. You can stick every sale through department 1 if you want. It's entirely up to yourself. The way you process a sale is to type in the price without entering the decimal point, so 1.99. You might be able to see the decimal point here, you might not, but it's got 1.99. You then assign that 1.99 to one of your departments, let's say department 10, and it'll come up and say department 10, 1.99, total 1.99, and then 1.99 there. If that's the only item in the sale, then you simply press subtotal, and then you're now looking at the method of payment. So on the CountLabs there's cash, card or cheque. So if they're paying by card, you would simply hit the card button. I'll do that now and I'll show you a cash sale separately. I've got the receipt switched off, so if you want a copy receipt you would press receipt issue and you get a receipt printout. I'll show you what you get on there. Receipt header message, receipt footer message, and then the details of the sale there. So that department 10 is an unprogrammed department, so that's how it would look as standard on the machine if you haven't had it programmed or haven't programmed it yourself. I've got some programmed buttons, so if I do 1.99 into department 1, that's my frozen department. 1.99 into department 3, that's my dairy. Have I got anything else? 1.99 department 4. And then that's how you process a sale. So now let's subtotal. We've got 5.97. So this time we'll cash it off. So the customer has given us £10. So we type in 1000. No need to enter the decimal point as the till has done that for us automatically. We hit the cash total button. The change is displayed on screen. So you got £4.03. And then if you print a receipt out, it's also showing the total, the cash tendered and the change. Obviously it only shows the cash tendered and the change if you cash the transaction off by putting in the amount of money tendered. I've got a couple of preset items as well, so you can use the machine with presets. So my department 2 has been pre-programmed as lottery, £2.50. So every time I press the lottery button it comes up with lottery £2.50. I've also got a Carling pint button somewhere. So if you press a button that doesn't have a preset price, it just comes up with error and then takes you back. So it's my department 6 is Carling pint. You've got a multiply button over here. So if you wanted 5 multiply Carling pint, it'll do that 5 times 450 Carling pint, gives you the total for the current line, so that's 22.50 for the 5 Carlings, and your subtotal as well, like a running total is there. Again, when you've entered all your items, 39.50, and then you can either cash the sale off or press the card button if they're paying by card. And again, I've got the receipt switched off, but you can issue a receipt on request and all the information's on there. The reason why we do the different methods of payment is obviously the same reason as your departments. When you're cashing up, you've got more information, so the till will give you a total for cash in draw and then a total for card in draw, so that's really useful. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. That's like an introduction of how to do a sale, how to use the register. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of your CountLab 9S. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now to do with the operation, so how to correct a mistake, how to do a refund, all those sorts of things are covered, so feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit countlab.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.